Hi, this is Nick from Hogan'sAlleyPaintball.com, and today we're going to talk about the Shemagh and how it can help protect you and the people around you in this coronavirus crisis. So the Shemagh, or desert scarf, is available in a lot of different colors, shapes, and styles, some of which you can see here behind me, and all of which are available at shop.hogansalleypaintball.com. So in order to use this as a covering for COVID, basically what you're going to do is hold it end to end, folded like a triangle, put it over your nose, and then cross your hands in the back, left to right. Then again, underneath, left to right, and then tuck it in on the bottom to hold it in place. You can bring it down whenever needed. It doesn't restrict movement too much. It's very soft and comfortable. And you can bring it back up again quickly. This is a great thing. They're fairly inexpensive and easy to use.